everyone, and welcome to the Hopton School Assembly. Yay! We've got a great show lined up this morning, and lots of great guests, and our first one is Mrs. Jones. Yay!
Hello everyone, and welcome.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Oh, hello Kermit. Hello. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good.
You excited for the show?
I am excited. It's assembly time,
Yay,
and we're going to have a good assembly today.
Yay.
Good. So, assembly. It's going to be about our curriculum driver, which this half term is voice, and also our value of stewardship. Voice.
Voice.
We use our voice in different ways at different times.
We do?
Sometimes we whisper.
Shh! I'm trying to watch my favourite film, Jurassic Park.
That is a pretty brilliant film, to be fair.
Okay, sorry. And sometimes we just want to speak normally.
Hello everybody,
Hi.
I'm the dragon who lives in Mrs. Jones's fireplace.
Hello.
Hello Mrs. Jones.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. Bye now. And sometimes we just need to
Shout!
Yeah, we need to do that. We need to shout. But do you know, voice doesn't just mean what we say, it is also how we behave, our body language.
It is. Did you know that 78% of human communication is body language?
I didn't know that.
Hey, I know some body language. I do this when I'm happy. My horn dance. Ra-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. That was pretty brilliant, to be honest. Thanks.
Good.
Right.
I'm really pleased that you're happy. Happy to see everyone out there at Hopton School.
Yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye.
So, our curriculum driver is voice, and we're going to be covering that over the next half term. It's going to be what we say and also how we express ourselves.
Wow, that's brilliant. I wish I went to Hopton Primary School for this term.
Good. So the second part of our assembly is looking at stewardship, our value.
What? Stewardship again?
Stewardship is when you care for something that belongs to someone else.
Oh, so like that time I looked after Fuzzy Bear's little hat.
Yep, like the time you looked after Fuzzy Bear's little hat.
I looked great in that thing.
But did you look after it?
Yeah, I washed it and I gave it back to him.
Okay, good. That's exactly what stewardship is. Now, we're going to do the next part of our assembly, which is to say a prayer together, say a teaspoon prayer together. One that says thanks, sorry, and please.
Oh, let's go then.
Okay. Dear God, I would like to say thank you to my friends and all the people who care for me.
And I would like to say thanks for letting me be part of this great assembly.
Oh, good. Sorry. I would like to say sorry for sometimes being a bit grumpy and not listening.
Well, I'd like to say sorry for being late to rehearsals this morning.
Okay, and I would like to say please to help me be a really good friend to people and also to be a good steward, to care for things when I'm made responsible for them.
And I'd like to say, please can I have another go with Fuzzy's great hat? I love that thing.
I'm sure that can be arranged. I'd also like to say a very big thank you, Kermit.
It's alright, anytime.
For helping me to explain voice
Yep, boys.
and also stewardship.
Makes sense now, doesn't it?
You've helped this to be a fabulous assembly.
Anytime, bro.
Okay, goodbye everyone at Hopton.
See ya.